It's the fourth trip out of the centre, and this time we're going into the rainforest. Two buses later, we're wandering around, getting lost in San Jose, trying to find our third bus. And then an hour and a half after that, we're dropped off in the middle of nowhere. But it's fine, the middle of nowhere was where we were supposed to be dropped off. After a short drive up a pretty big hill, we found our guide and we're ready to start our Canopy tour. Interrupting the visuals because it was around this point somewhere that we saw a toucan, a wild little toucan in a nest really far away, which is why I didn't film, but it made me so happy. Now we're back on the ground for some more tour stuff. Our guide kept lifting up leaves and finding us snakes, like this tiny little guy. I didn't actually believe he was real. And here are some of the thousands of types of orchids you can find in the Costa Rican rainforest, hanging off whatever you want to call this. And now for one of the highlights of my day, a butterfly house. They were just everywhere and they kept landing on me. And look at them, they're so pretty. Then we saw a load of frogs and snakes that were in captivity. I didn't film that because there was loads of glare on their tank things, but that was pretty cool. And to end our day, we had to walk up a highway and cross the road to hope to catch our bus again. But we did, it was fine, we got our bus, we got back, we survived. And that's it for the second last of my Costa Rica vlogs. Links are all down below. Thank you for watching.